Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chanam Prasad and you're watching The Absolute Trader. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update.
Hey guys, first things first, I am really sorry to tell you guys that this video is almost 6 to 7 months old. I mean, this trip is almost 6 to 7 months old because we had been to this trip, the Udupi trip, on 9th October 2020. So it's very late now. I had few reasons for not uploading this video till now. The first reason is the drone shots or the drone footages got delayed. The second reason is I had clicked some beautiful videos from my Moto C Play phone, and I don't know how somehow it got deleted and I couldn't find it back. So that's the second reason, and the third reason is the time. I couldn't make out the time to edit this vlog properly because I spend more of the time in editing the drone footages. So I wanted it to be perfect. So I think I have did my best right now, and all the details about this trip regarding the place, regarding the homestay which we had stayed for 2 to 3 days there. So all the details will be given right now. So watch the video till the end to experience the best drone shots, and let me know in the comment section, guys. So take care.
Yes, behind me you are seeing the homestay that's called as Bahar Beach House. So it's very famous place to stay in Udupi actually. So Udupi means almost near to Kundapura. I mean Kundapura is just 1 or 2 kilometers from here. So that's the homestay behind me, and just take the view behind me, guys. I don't think you will be seeing the beach view right now, but still I will try my best. So right now I am at the private beach of this particular homestay. Today morning we came here and we'll be flying a drone as well, and you can just see the coconut trees lined up over here, and we are total of 12 members today. So we enjoyed a lot already. We played inside the water, and again tomorrow we'll be playing in the water. And as you can see behind me, all my cousins are enjoying their day. So yeah, I really liking the place, and especially this homestay. I want to talk something about the homestay. Actually there are 2 floors, one is the ground floor and one is the first floor, and on both the floors they have one single room with a common toilet, and that's the really good part, and it's very hygiene as well. And talking about the price, 1000 rupees per each for a day, so it's actually very worth. And they even have a kitchen so that you can cook on your own, and if you don't want to cook on your own, then they will provide you the food by charging extra price. So that's it, guys, and right now you'll be enjoying the drone shots and some cinematic shots. So let's get started.
When you say my name, it leaves a frozen trace of the love we break. And I can see your breath, but with your matches left, burn the rest of me to take. And embers in the air, light away back home. Can you take me there? Set us on fire. Set us on fire. Take me higher. Set us on fire. You've been cooling down, but I can feel you now. Bring the color into my face. Take me